How to find and recover deleted friends on Facebook. Let's begin with the video. Initially open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, select Settings. Now scroll down and select the Activity Log option. In the Activity Log, click on Connection. Then select Friends. Furthermore, from the available option, choose Remove Friend to view people you have unfriended. Here you can see a list of deleted friends. To reconnect, simply go back and click on the search icon at the top. Search for their name. Lastly, send a new friend request. There you go. This is how to find and recover deleted friends on Facebook.